morning, y'all. It is a Monday. No, it's a Tuesday because school was out yesterday. It's a Tuesday. I'm out. Finna go to the grocery store. I made this cute little shirt I got on today. I'm trying to show it to y'all after I get past this light. Oh my God, y'all, like it been a storm. I know y'all so sick of me, like, oh, honey, it's been a storm out here. I'm finna show y'all. It look bad. It look bad. But my shirt say, pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. You get it? So, like, when you going through something, you gonna pray through it. And then, like, if you have a situation that happens, you gonna pray on it. And then, like, if something jumps in the way, or like something is in the way, so you gonna pray over it to, yeah. So y'all get what I'm trying to say. So that's what's going on, y'all. I'm trying to get a little sick. Excuse me. I feel like I'm trying to get a little sick, but I don't even got no socks like I'm feeling, so that's probably why. This weather down here is crazy. One day it feel like summer, the next day it feel like spring, then it feel like winter. So you don't even be knowing what to dress for real. So that's that. The clouds seem to be clearing up on this direction. It might just be finna storm in certain areas, because it ain't like all over. It's just certain areas. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing, y'all. I feel real cute today, even though I don't really have on much, but I feel really nice today. I haven't ate anything today, nothing at all. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, got the kids together, boom. So here we is. Mady's gonna get dropped off per usual. He's gonna get dropped off. Him and Nick Xavier is dressed alike today. Yes, they are. I gotta fix my mirror because I went through the car wash yesterday. I'm gonna insert a clip. And my mirror is all out, so I need to get out and fix it because I can't see nothing on this side. Nothing. I definitely need to get that fixed when I get out. Oh Lord, y'all, I forgot the gospel. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, y'all. I forgot about the radio was on. I'm gonna come back to y'all probably when I get to the grocery store and we can chat and stuff. So yeah. Oh, excuse me. I'll come back to y'all. So I actually went to the grocery store, went home, cooked and everything. I'm so bad at this and I'm trying to get better. Like, when I be in the grocery store, I really be trying to focus on what I need and get on up out of there. And I was hungry and I ain't finished eating my food yet because I had to go pick my clothes from the dryer. But I'm gonna show y'all my shirt that I made because I really like it. It's so cute. So yeah, when I get back in the house, I'm gonna come back to y'all and we're gonna talk. This is, wait a minute, I gotta get out of here. Babysit, y'all, this babysit. Oh, this is babysit coming to me. Just fat, just big. I'm gonna get it together. Look. the shirt. This is the shirt. Here's the shirt. Real cute, real cute. So slight. Real cute, real cute. So slight. Wait, how I go? Check my footwork. Check my footwork. You ain't got this. You ain't got this. Look at that. Wait, what's the little thing everybody does about me? Oh.